Hello, welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be talking about the Microsoft Fabric, the Power BI desktop update for March 2024. And boy, does it suck. Um, I mean, I've been making a number of videos about preview features and everything else, and that's pretty much all we have here. Is everything's still in preview? Nothing is GA'd, unless apparently if you're a third-party visual developer, you can actually get stuff done and get code promoted to GA, whereas Microsoft cannot. Um, but yeah, so I mean, I knew it was going to be bad, right? Because there are people that have early access to, they're on the preview release, if you will, of the desktops. And I started seeing them come out with like, oh my God, finally data bars, totals are fixed. I can have a data bar in the total. I'm like, and I'm thinking to myself, dude, if that's the best thing that's going to be released in this update, it must really suck. And it does, it really sucks. It's a complete and utter dud. And so much so that I actually changed. So I had a different 4642 days 4642 but I changed it to this one, right? Dozens of preview features, wrong measure totals. Power BI is like, oh, data bars for totals. That's what needs to get done. Ridiculous. And then it introduced bugs is the other thing, and they still haven't fixed. So look at this. So this learn more still can't learn more. It doesn't work. It doesn't go anywhere. It changes to like you can click it, but it doesn't do anything. And then they broke this. Oh, it comes up here. So I used to be able to like copy the table, but they broke it. Now if I go to here and I say paste, it doesn't. That was actually the issue that I opened up on this, and so that's the link to it that I posted in reply to somebody else. So it doesn't actually copy the table. So both of that's broken. Um, right? If you either do right click copy or right click copy table, it's broken. It doesn't work. It's a bug. So they break stuff. So I mean, and this is what I've been talking about, right? I've been talking about the technical debt and that this team can't get anything done. All they do is they break stuff essentially and can't get anything GA. And it's sad. So anyway, that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.